Welcome to Devless, your no-code app builder. Let's look around and learn how to find what you need to start building your app. If this is your first sign-in, Devless will prompt you to create your new app. To have Devless auto-generated, click Create Example App, or enter a custom app name, host, and path, then validate the information. Click Next. Congratulations! You've made your first app. We'll clean up the confetti. From here, you can choose to design and brand your app or start adding content. Inside Devless Admin, the dashboard has one left-hand menu with all the tools you need to build your app and manage your account. The menu icon at the bottom slides it in and out of view. At the top, it displays your profile image, name, and plan. Directly below is the name of the app you are currently working on. If you have a business or agency plan, the drop-down allows you to select a different app or create a new one. Underneath is the View Your App button, which you can use anytime. Now, let's quickly review each page in the menu. First, select App. Notice it highlights the menu page you're on for quick reference. The app page is where you add or manage folders and resources. Click the red plus button at the bottom right corner to begin adding content to your app. Next, view Settings. You can update the app's name, type, URL, color theme, and images to match your organization's branding and style. At the top right, you can also invite your team. Just click Manage Access to send an email invite. In Navigation, you can take branding to the next level, plus configure menus to your liking. It provides a range of options to customize the home screen, top app bar, and bottom app bar to align with your vision and enhance the user experience. Let's continue to Add-ons. This page enables enhanced features. For example, Guided Support creates interactive guides that engage customers. Forms serves robust forms and collects important data. And User Way supports compliance and makes your app accessible to everyone. Standard add-ons are available in every plan. If you're interested in the premium add-ons, a paid plan gives you access to purchase them a la carte. Check back often to take advantage of the latest features. Up next is the Users page. You can view and manage your app's users here if registration and login are enabled. It displays their name, email, status, registration date, and last login. You can also disable users if you want to revoke their access. Below, the Analytics page visualizes your app's usage with beautiful graphs and heat maps. You can also enable the Google Analytics add-on for even more insights into your app and business. The Account page lets you update profile information, manage your subscription, and delete your account. Last is a link to our Help Center. It's the ultimate resource for all things Devless. Inside, you'll find helpful materials and a way to contact our expert team. While you're there, we recommend watching the tutorials about branding, managing resources, and using add-ons in your app so you can fast-track your success. You'll see that we make app building super simple for everyone.